Welcome back to a brand new week. My name is Derek, and today we're going to be going over some of the things that you might have missed out from last week, along with some of the new updates to the website. So let's get started. One thing to make note of is the shipping. The shipping has been moved to 4 PM Eastern Standard Time because of continued interruptions, and we hope to be restoring that shortly. We also have the new Hard OLEDs for the iPhone 16 series, so definitely check those out because they come with awesome price tags. And if you haven't noticed already, there is the GAPP program, including the MacBook parts. And now the GAPP program is available in Canada and in the EU as well. So definitely take the time to go over it thoroughly and join that program because it's highly beneficial for you and your customers. Apple Pay is now available in Canada, and there's also been a massive price drops on those devices up there as well. No matter where you are in the world, make sure that you have the Casper Pro tempered glass for the iPhone 17 series so that you can help those customers that come in with brand new phones. Now, if you missed out on any of last week's videos, here's a quick breakdown of what I did so that you can go back and look at them. We took a look at what goes wrong when you attempt an HDMI repair without the proper tools and equipment. In that video, we covered an extremely botched job on an HDMI done without the proper tools and materials, so it went horribly wrong. So I took the time to correct it, and I show a bunch of tips and tricks that can apply to a lot of different repairs other than just an HDMI repair. I also took a look at one of the most precise rework stations that's on the market. Something that can allow you to apply individual teeny tiny components without the use of tweezers, for example, and solder them in place. So make sure you watch that to get my overall opinion. And I also want to see what you think about it as well. And finally, I covered iPad Wi-Fi and Bluetooth issues. We covered the process to remove and reball and install the Wi-Fi IC on an iPad. And the same process can go to a lot of the iPhone models because most of the time when you have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth issues, it's just needing to be reballed. So I show that whole process in that video. If there's a specific repair or a tool that you'd like to see demoed in a video, leave it in the comments below. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.